Isaiah tells us of restoration today. When God's people turn back, He promises renewal. The ruins of lives are rebuilt and joy returns to them. Even the Sabbath becomes delightful again. Lent is not just about restraint, it's about restoration in God. The gospel gives us that living example. Jesus calls Levi, Matthew, a tax collector. This is a man marked by compromise and social exclusion. Jesus doesn't hesitate. He tells him, follow me. And what does Levi do? He leaves everything and he follows him. But then comes the scandal. Jesus eats with sinners, and he explains himself rather simply. I have come to call sinners to repentance. Mercy is not an approval of sin. Mercy, by God, it's an invitation to convert, to transform. And that's why today's saint, St. Peter Damian, understood this. He lived radical penance, fearless reform, because he believed that God changes lives, and he knew that the church renews itself when hearts return to God. Lent ends its first week by reminding us why the journey matters. God calls broken people. He calls you and I. He wants to rebuild what sin has damaged. He wants to restore joy where repentance can open the door. And so his call echoes within us. Follow me. I challenge you today, identify one attachment that distracts you and I from God, and deliberately choose to let it go and to turn to God.